Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Oh, come here. Take a look of this pizza. Take a look out of this world. Let me taste it. That's the goal, the perfection of pizza. But today, look at this. And how to next level freeze the pizza dough. And let me put this away because I'm gonna eat this in about, I wanna say, maybe 6 months from now. Enjoy this video and watch until the end. Let's start with the pizza dough. Okay guys, let's start with Polish, the most important part of this recipe. To be able to have the pizza more digestible, more light, more puffy. It's super simple. The day before making the dough, prepare 300 grams of flour, 300 grams of water, 5 grams of yeast. Let's put it inside the water, and 5 grams of honey. Quick mix. Dump everything in the flour. Make sure you grab everything. That's our Polish. Mix everything up. Hold on, my baby there by himself. I need to put him here, baby. There we go. Got some. Let's put this. There we go. Let's get back to the recipe. Sorry guys, so mix everything up. If you're gonna make 10-15 pizza, always use this amount. This is the Polish, how it looks like. Close everything, like that. And now we can go ahead and leave it at room temperature for 1 hour, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it back in the fridge for overnight. The magic happened. This is the Polish, how it looks like. You can see nice and puffy. Look at this, so much air is inside here. Lovely. This is going to be your yeast. This is the reason why the fermentation born. Wow. Everywhere. So that's the fermentation. Here we go. Today we are going to prepare a very super simple recipe. It's called, guys, go ahead and smash that like. It's totally free, and go ahead, subscribe right there. It's totally free, and we are almost to 1 million subscribers. It's amazing, outstanding. Oh, by the way, now finally these boxes are available. Check out the link below. You can get it today, worldwide shipping. Go ahead, grab the Polish, put it in. Done. You're gonna use the all Polish. Then you need 400 grams of cold water, 710 grams of 00 flour or regular flour, and 20 grams of sea salt or kosher salt, which I prefer, and 20 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Let's see how to make it in orders. Go ahead and put half amount of the water. Try to melt the Polish. I'm gonna make it with the dough, no knead. So it's gonna be super simple, no knead, guys. Let's add the whole salt, melted. Now, the whole flour. Circulate it like that until everything is nice and integrated. So this is gonna probably take about 5 minutes. Use a spoon, or you can use also one hand if you wanna, whatever you wanna use, that's okay. So once it's everything like that, we can go ahead and add the rest of the water and also the olive oil all around. Done. Now with the spoon, let's go ahead and put everything together. You don't need to go fast, so don't rush yourself. And this again is gonna take about, I wanna say, maybe 5 minutes. Okay guys, at this point, like you can see how is the texture of this dough. Pay attention, because everybody can do this. Everyone, even my daughter, that is 4 years old. Once it's all together like that, grab a towel and leave it on top for about, and let it rest for about 30 minutes. And here you go, 30 minutes pass by. So what we're gonna do here, it's super easy. Let me show you. So take everything out. Voila, save this because we might need it. Put it together. Like you can see, looks like the dough is not ready. So watch this. So you're gonna grab it and then open and close it until it's nice and smooth. Same thing. This process, it can take a little bit, maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes, just the time to get the dough nice and smooth. Like you can see, it's building the structure of the gluten. At this point, go ahead, press it a little bit. Little bit of olive oil on top again. Press. And now, one more time, go ahead and... So 1 hour, and we go to the next step. Then I show you the secret. So to make this next level frozen dough balls, you will need some Ziploc like that, a scale, and that's all you need. If you're a subscriber, you probably saw the video, a successful video here, right here, you can see about how to freeze the pizza dough. But this is next level because it's a little bit more, I want to say simple, but complicated in the same time because it's a little bit, you have to do one extra step to make this to a next level pizza dough. If you are interested to become a pro pizza chef, go ahead, check out my masterclass. My masterclass, it's a super high quality masterclass online. You get 24 videos, lifetime access. It's amazing. One course for the house, one course for the business. You can go ahead and link below for that if you want to become a pizza pro on your house, or maybe if you want to open a business. Let's wait 30 minutes. Here you go, guys, 30 minutes, it's passed by. The gluten structure, it's start to build. So we're gonna go ahead and start to make the balls. So the dough balls Neapolitan pizza is 280 grams of dough balls. Scale all the balls to 280, 260. Here we go, now that we have scaled everything. So let's go ahead and let's make the dough into balls. Like you can see, I'm doing it super easy. So this way, just pull it towards you, and then that's how you make the balls. And then lock it up right there. Or you can do this. Just put it inside, and then go ahead and close it. Boom. Voila, now that we have all balls ready, go ahead and a little bit of olive oil in your hands. Guys, this is the most important part. And then just put it on top, all balls, like that. Now is the part where you get the plastic wrap, the plastic bag, and go ahead and put it inside. Whatever, how you want to put it, you can put it. But of course, try to put it like nicely on the bottom. If they are sticky, this is perfect. If they are sticky, of course, go ahead and use some olive oil. It's not bad to use olive oil when you're cooking at home on electric oven. See? Done. Close it. And done, guys. So, okay, now that we have made the balls, guys, it's very important that you keep track where it was the bottom of the dough ball. So all the bottom, I put it always on the bottom, so that's how they are. So now, right away, go ahead and put it in the freezer. That's it. You can put it in the freezer whatever you want. Just make sure you put the bottom on the bottom part. There we go. They are all in the freezer with the bottom part on the bottom. So now, guys, at this point is where the interesting part comes, and that's why it's the next level. Right now, you can keep these dough balls as much you want. You can keep it for 4 months, 3 months, or whatever. So now I'm gonna let it freeze, and then to make it easy, and then let's see what's going on after. So good night, or I'll see you tomorrow, I'll see you after tomorrow, I'll see you in 1 month. So make sure, smash that like, share this video, guys, it's totally free, with 3 friends, and help me reach these 1 million subscribers. Now, I'll see you at the next step. Make sure you watch until the end. I'll see you later. Bye. Here we go, guys. Good morning. I miss you so much. Joking. So, it's been a week or so, and we are ready. I'm ready to make some pizza because today I want pizza. I decided to make pizza, but I don't want to make dough. That's why this video is all about. There we go. I want to show you how these balls, they look like. We got, wow, nice and freeze. Beautiful. Look at this. 2, 3, 4. We have so many that we freeze like a week ago. But of course, guys, I'm not gonna use it all. This is how many we have. Oh, close down. So, but today I wanna make, how many pizzas are we gonna make today?
2.
Okay, 2. One for me and one for my wifey. So let's go ahead and let's get just 2. The rest, I'm gonna put it in the fridge and see you in a month. There we go. That's how they look like. So, and do you see how they detach? So remember, this one was the bottom part. So we're just gonna go ahead and place it this way inside a container or inside a pan or whatever you like. So in this case, I have my own dough box, dough tray, that you can find this link below. Very important. If they get dry on top, you can get a little bit of water in your hands and just go on top like that. There we go. So now we're gonna close it and leave it at room temperature for about 4 to 6 hours because we put it directly in the fridge. But guys, this time frame, it might vary. If it's too hot, of course, it's gonna grow faster. If it's too cold, of course, it's gonna grow a little bit lower. So I always keep it at room temperature, and then I monitor and I see when they double up the side, the dough, it's ready. Right now, let's see again, super froze. So voila, let's put it right here. Of course, guys, you need to separate like 4 fingers apart away because otherwise it's gonna get attached because those, they're gonna grow. Keep that in mind. So let's go ahead, let's put it there. I'm gonna go ahead and warm up the pizza oven. I'll see you in about 4 hours and see, I'm gonna let you know how long I let it rest. So I'll see you later. 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 2, 3. So it's been 5 hours to be honest. And this is how the dough looks like. Outstanding texture. So this is, you see, it's soft, nice, not sticky. This is the gluten structure, how strong it is. So that's what we want. So guys, we are ready to go ahead and make the pizza. So a little bit of flour on the floor right there. It's mixed up. It's a mix of semolina and regular flour. Go ahead, grab the dough from the box. Flour all over the place. Voila. Tac, tac, tac. Now put the dough on top of the flour, just like that, upside down. Done. Now a couple of times in the flour. Press in the flour. Ta 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 ta. Pom 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 pom. Now one hand here, put it on top, move all the flour. Now press and pull. Press, pull. Press, pull. Press, pull. Press, pull. Voila! Did you see, guys, how strong is this dough? It's amazing. So now let's go ahead and let's make the actual pizza. So in this case, we're gonna go ahead and put tomato sauce all over the place. There we go, fantastic. Parmesan cheese, boom, 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 voila, and nice fresh basil under the cheese, otherwise it's gonna burn. And now fresh mozzarella. That's it. That's all you need for this pizza. Extra virgin olive oil and the pizza, it's complete. If you cook in a regular oven, of course, you're gonna go ahead and cook the base first and then you go add the cheese after. But here we're gonna go ahead and cook in my pizza kitchen in the back. And now it's time to go ahead and put the pizza in the oven. A little bit of flour, then peel under. Voila, like you can see. Now let's go ahead, we want the pizza, nice 12 inches pizza. But today we're gonna go ahead and cook the pizza in my backyard, of course, because, a little bit of flour, because it's way too hot. It's like a 110 Fahrenheit. Let's go ahead and let's cook this pizza. Boom, boom, boom. It's my backyard here. Voila, take off that. And now let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. Boom, one shot, voila. Now let's cook it. I'm gonna put it right here. Guys, it's now is the right time to share with 3 friends. It's totally free, and this way invite them to subscribe. It's totally free. You help me reach this 1 million subscribers soon. Oh, the pizza, I forgot. We have to lower down the temperature right here when you cook the pizza. A little bit. Voila. Now grab the peel and go ahead, turn it, check the bottom. I want to explain you a couple of things when you use the cold, like a double fermentation dough. I want to explain you a couple of things because it's very important. Perfect, the pizza is lovely ready. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off the oven because I'm not gonna use it. Just grab it, and then let me show you inside how this pizza looks like. Ooh, guys, pizza is totally ready. Wow, I want to explain you a couple of things. This pizza for me, it looks outstanding. I mean, considering that this dough it's frozen, guys. I mean, take a look. It's an outstanding texture. Let me show you to you. Voila, take a look of the crust. It's not super crunchy, but that's the bottom. But for sure, it's gonna be super flavorful and good. Well, you'll notice when it's a next level dough because from these black dots means it's a good sign, it's a really good fermentation, so that means it's a long process fermentation. Let me get the scissors. Let me cut it and let me show you the crust. Sorry, I got these little scissors, it's my daughter's scissors, but that's all I have. That looks like a mini minor. Voila. Take a look of this crust. It's nice, it's lovely, it's not super crunchy, but for sure I can't wait to taste it. Oh, lovely. Look at this. Look at this. What's your thought? So let me go ahead. Let me taste it 1 second because that's all about. It tastes so good. It's really good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Most important, share. I'll see you at the next one. See you next week. Ciao a tutti, ciao!